this video we're gonna add the job ID to enter the estimated revenue and estimated expenses. So how we do that? Click on the Maintain tab, and in Maintain tab we have cost, a job cost. Click on this job, and here you need to select the job ID, that is building to buy. And because we created the phases, so I want to track job in more detail, so click the second tab, that is estimated expenses and revenue. So the first phase I'm gonna select, that is creating and site preparation. So we need some labors here, so you can select here creating labors. How many labors we need? Let's suppose the quantity is 15. Enter that estimated expense, that is 10,000, and we are generating a revenue that is estimated, let's suppose it is 12,000. Then the second phase, that is the foundation construction. Tab, and here you need to select, that is in the foundation of the foundation construction we are using some material. So our material cost is, for example, it is 30,000. Enter. In expected estimated revenue, that is 35,000. Then you can give the third phase, that is the farming, and here we have to use some equipments. So select the cost code, that is farming equipments. So that estimated expense is, for example, 20,000. Enter. And the expected revenue, the estimated revenue is 25,000. Enter. So this is how you can add all the phases related to that specific job. You have to create all the cost code, and here you can mention your estimated expense and the revenue. So right now our estimated expenses are 60,000 and our estimated revenue is 72,000. And then save it.